Welcome to Meter Chalk Talks. I'm Dr. Colin Campbell, research scientist at Meter Group, and today we'll be talking about optimizing turf grass performance. Turf grass for golf greens and sports fields are grown on engineered soil to optimize performance and management, but this often leaves them on a nice edge in terms of irrigation. While it's obvious that too much water washes nutrients from the porous sand and damages roots, and too little stresses the plant and browns the grass, the difference between these two extremes is often poorly understood. In fact, most people believe that they have an intuitive feel for available water in the soil. If we were using only water content sensors, seeing a typical value of around 20% would lead us to believe we were comfortably in the middle of the plant available range. But in this example, where we measure both water content and water potential in BYU turf grass, the data showed that readings over 15% water content were too wet and left the water potential above the capacity of the soil to retain it without leaching. And that's what we see here. Conversely, in this example, it only took the soil a few days for the water potential to drop into the stress region, shown here. So turf was no longer taking up water. This rapid change from too wet to too dry is the knife edge I was talking about, and results from the large pores in engineered sands that do not hold water tightly because of the low surface area. If you're only measuring water content, you may be missing the irrigation point until it's too late. Or you could be letting thousands of dollars worth of water and nutrients drain away from the turf because you're too scared to let the water go too low. What's the solution? Keep your water content sensor around to know how much water to add, but find out what you've been missing by adding water potential. Like the thermostat in your house, it will tell you if your plants are comfortable and when to turn the water on and when to turn it off.